Welcome to AIMEN. In this video, we learn about how to install the Decors animation logo in AIMEN Android Player Autobot 3D. The first thing is to turn on the Wi-Fi. Step 1. Open the app drawer and find iBoot app and click to open it. Wait till the app loads the content. Step 2. Click on the search box. Start typing the authorized Decors phone number and click on the search button. Now you will find the search result with Decors name. Step 3. Click on the Decor name and wait till it loads the content. Now click on the install button and wait till it downloads 100%. After 100%, close the app and find the app called Boot Animation and click on it to open Boot Animation app. Step 4. Open the status bar and click on the menu option. Then immediately you will find the option at the bottom. Now click on the bottom button called Import from External Storage, and then the system immediately asks for a passcode. Now type TOPWAY. Then it displays authorized Decors phone number. Step 5. Click on the number and then click OK. Finally, close the app and restart the device.